Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I want to show you this really nice swivel chair that this brand sent to me for this video, which is a really nice accent chair. I want to say for like creating a social space for conversation or reading, or like a really nice corner with a lamp or something like that. This one is going to be really nice. Assemble process, it took me, I think, probably 3 minutes, no more than that. It comes almost ready to go. The only thing you will have to do is add this part over here to the bottom part that comes with a cover with a zipper on the bottom. So you put the 4 screws and you're all set, ready to go. Before I show it to you in a closer look, let me tell you, if you have cats, this thing is gonna be their den. This thing is gonna be heaven for them because it comes with a really nice Sherpa fabric that is super soft, so they're gonna love it. I received it 2 days ago, and since then we have 4 cats, and every single one of them slept over here for a long time, so they're gonna love it for napping. Let's take a closer look. So as I was saying before, it has a really nice fabric, but also a nice and firm cushion, super soft Sherpa fabric. Really nice comp section over here for your bag, and this one supports 300 pounds, so that's actually quite a lot just judging by the size. So you can see how nice this one supports my bag and my middle section of the back over here, kind of like sitting and also relaxing and chilling. Really nice swivel, as well as big base down on the bottom, so that's gonna be really nice for supporting all that weight of 300 pounds. So what can I say? Easy assemble, 300 pounds weight limit, comfortable, ergonomic with the comp section here, and firms and nice and cushion. And it also looks really nice on a corner with a lamp or like a accent chair or just like living room. You can get a few of these ones and create a really nice and cozy atmosphere. I like it, and I do recommend it.